Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your photo or your avatar on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So in order to do this, we need to open the settings, go into the Apple account details, and then choose personal information. And over here you can press edit. At first we have the camera, so we can open the camera and then take a photo. We can also open the gallery and choose a photo from our gallery. We can also use an emoji. We can also switch to style over here in order to choose a different background color. We can also choose to write 2 letters over here. And in addition to that, we can, for instance, choose memoji as well. So these are pretty cool custom emojis. We can even use the front camera in order to create something personal. So as you can see right now, if I'm trying to talk, then the mouse in this case is actually also responding. So if I stick my tongue out, there we go. So it works as well. So as you can see, we can even make some silly emojis over here. And once you are done, you can press next in order to save it. Of course, you can move and scale if needed. Let's actually make it bigger a little bit. There we go. And let's press choose. We can also, of course, adjust the background color. Press done in the top right corner, and once again in order to save the changes. And there we go, we have our new avatar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!